imagine this, it's the middle of the night and you wake up with a great idea. So you grab your phone, start brainstorming with Claude, and then once you've got the idea together, you say, send that to my Notion. And off it goes, typing up a report with everything you've discussed all nicely formatted in your Notion file. So you don't have to remember it. It's all there, nicely done for you in the morning when you wake up. Hi, I'm Tara, I'm 56, I don't have a technical background, and I'm teaching myself to build things with AI because I want to make it my new career. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to use a real idea I had for a dog playdate app. Yes, I know it sounds weird. I'm going to show you how you can brainstorm it in Claude and then get it to send it straight to your Notion to capture it so you've got it whenever you want it. So I'm going to paste this in the project chat. I've had an idea for a dog play date. I like the idea because my dog could do with a few more friends, but it needs to be the right dog because he likes very rough and tumble play and not all dogs like that. So I wonder if there could be some sort of app that helps match local dog owners who can then walk together. It will be a social thing for the owners too. It's very vague at the moment, so can you help me brainstorm the idea? So then I'll go to and fro with Claude a little bit, do a bit of brainstorming, talk about the idea, and perhaps we'll talk about how it could be built. If I decided it was going to be something I wanted to pursue, I'd obviously want to do more research on it. Then Claude asked me if I would like it to save the idea to my Notion. So you can see I have Claude on the left and my Notion page on the right. So I'm going to say yes please. So watch how Claude's summary appears. Now the good thing is Claude can also edit this or add more ideas to the page as well, whenever I want. So let me show you how to set it up. So first we need to get the Notion connector enabled in Claude. Now you can find that by going into your sidebar, click Customize, then Connectors, and under Connectors you can see I've already got Notion available. But to add it yourself, just click the plus button and then search for Notion. If ever you want to, you can edit any permission that Claude has for Notion here. Now what that means is what you're happy for Claude to have access to on your Notion file. Then you need to set up a Notion page. I created the blank page that you saw previously called My Ideas. To get the share link, you do this by going to the share button top right and then copying the link. Now you can either simply share that link in the chat with Claude, or what I prefer to do is set up a project and include the link in the instructions. So go to your Claude sidebar again, click Projects, then click New Project and type in a name for it. I'll just call this one Idea Project. You can optionally add a description. Then over in the instructions we're going to put, please help me brainstorm app ideas, and when I ask, save them to my Notion. And then you're going to paste in the link that you got from Notion. And of course you can write more in-depth instructions to tell Claude more about you and your project. And that's it, you're ready to go. So now every time I have an idea, even if it's just a vague thought, I have a little chat with Claude, and then without even leaving the conversation, it sends it straight to Notion for me. Even do it in the middle of the night. If you want to follow along with the App a Month Challenge, I send out an email every week. I'll also be making future videos about what I learn about AI and the apps I'm creating. So hope you'll subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.